guys, welcome back. Today I have a short, sweet unboxing for you, and it is our Ipsy bag for the month of August, just the regular $12 bag. I'm really excited to dive in and see what we got. I have been a little bit more excited lately about trying new things, and I've always been, but now that I have like all this free time to actually do what I want to do, it's just so much more exciting. So yeah, I'm just thrilled to open this up. I feel like there's something jingling. Maybe that's just the bag. Let's go ahead and see. Let's open her up. Is that it? Yeah. Just a little jingly coin style little zip there. And again, another holographic bag. This one looks like it's more so like classic silver holographic. It's kind of cute with my little shirt. It says Babe. This is actually like a dress, like a bodycon style dress, but I just threw it on. It may be a little clashy with makeup, but it's okay. It's whatever. I think we had a brush. Oh yes, a brush. So this is this Makeup of the Day Pigment Packer. Okay, so this is a very simple looking brush. I'm just going to do some close-ups in this video. It's just a short little casual guy. So I mean, this definitely is a pigment packer type of brush. It's a little bit more rounded, but it is pretty flat, so this is perfect to get in there and pack those on. I used a similar brush today to pack on these shimmers and this metallic here to kind of create a little ombre, but really get in there and intensely pack it in place. So this seems like a pretty good brush. I mean, it feels okay. It's very lightweight, but that can be a good thing. And it's pretty sleek looking, rose gold ferrule and a black handle. So there you go. It's my first item. This is going to throw off the light, but let's go ahead and get into the bag. We got, this is Jersey Shore Cosmetics Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Lip Balm. Delicious, it says. It smells good. I've never heard of Jersey Shore Cosmetics. I mean, immediately I think of the television show, so I don't know how I feel about it. I've got on like a matte, I'd say creamy matte lipstick. I'm just gonna put it on. It feels really nice. It says it's all natural organic ingredients. It says it's nutrient dense balm used to nourish anywhere on your face and body, particularly recommended for lips, hands, and even dry nose and cheeks. Oh, so this is more than just lips. I was just thinking, okay, put it on the lips, but it's got sunflower oil. It does have beeswax in it, organic flavor, coconut oil, rosemary. So this feels really nice. I'm excited to clean it off and try it on other areas apart from lips and see how that goes. But yeah, not a bad item to get. We also got from Pixi. This is the Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Pewter. Jeweled Pewter, excuse me. Let me go ahead and unwrap this. I always love getting Pixi products. That's never gonna be anything I'm gonna complain about. So I'm happy to have this. I painted my nails this like mint color today, and I immediately screwed them up. Like, you ever just have those times where you paint your nails and then afterwards you're like, why did I even bother? Like, that's totally today. Okay, finally getting there. So I'm guessing this is going to be like a really deep like charcoal. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty. It does feel really silky. So this is what it looks like right here. That's the pencil, and that is the swatch on my hand there. It's definitely a soft, creamy pencil, kind of less residue on the pencil there, but it seems like a really pretty color. It's more of like a, you know, charcoal, but it's definitely got some pretty shimmer to it. So I'm excited to use this as well. We're gonna test it out soon and see. We got from IBY Beauty Super Bloom Lush Eyeshadow, and I think the shade is In Bloom. So I have a palette from IBY Beauty. I think I have more than that, but specifically the palette actually impressed me, which, you know, a lot of times with these brands, I'm like, oh, they're new to me, I don't know. They never really turn out to be anything like that fantastic in competition with other things that I have, but the palette I have is really nice, so I'm keen to give this a try. It's got a really cute little single package here, and the color kind of matches the packaging almost. Looks cute, and it is the shade In Bloom. So we'll go ahead and give that another swatch as well. Ooh. I've washed my hands so many times today. My hands look so dry. All right, so there is the shade In Bloom. It looks pretty. It's kind of like a coral peach. It definitely looks more just like a shimmer. It's got some shine to it. It's not like immediately blowing me away or anything, but it is cute. It's a cute little shadow and the color is pretty. I think maybe wetting this in particular would make it look really pretty. So, let's see. So I'm gonna mist this brush that we got with a little Evian water. All right, so here is it wet with a brush versus just a regular swatch. I hope you can see the difference there. There is definitely a little bit more pigmentation here. It's got a little bit more impact, whereas a little bit sheer here. I mean, not like the biggest difference in the world, but it does look really, really pretty applied with the brush and a little bit damp. So cute. So I actually am excited to try this out, and yeah, very soon. If you like try on videos, stay tuned. I'm gonna definitely be doing a try on with all my Ipsy products for the month. I tend to do that, and somebody asked me like, why don't you try them on in the video when you're unboxing it? And I've asked multiple times like what people prefer, and it was a little bit split, but more people definitely said that they like just seeing the unboxings, and why not just do them separately for those who want to see, you know, just the unboxing quick and easy. They can watch that, or if you want to see the items put on, then I will specify like in the video what I got. Obviously you'll be able to see the items, but you can actually see them put on and in action. So I give a little bit of both, so you guys have an option. And we do have one more item. This is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Eye Cream. Now, I'm excited about this. You guys know I do love my Glam Glow products. Super Mud, of course, is like my holy grail mask for pores, for breakouts, but I actually haven't tried this eye cream, so I'm kind of excited. Ooh, it actually feels super nice. Oh, the consistency of this is so weird. Like it's creamy, but it's a little bit cooling, but it has like a lot of slip to it. Not in a primer type of way, but just like a really silky kind of creamy way, which is actually really exciting. So I am definitely going to use this really soon. And you know, even though this is like a small guy, it is 0.1 ounce, it still seems like a good bit for an eye cream because you only need a little bit with this. Like with your eye creams, if you're using more than like the size of a cooked grain of rice, it's just too much, and really you're not going to gain any more benefit by using more. So I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna go put this in my bathroom and definitely try this out really soon. It's such a cute little jar. Look how cute. All right, so to sum it up, of course, we got our holographic bag, we got our pigment packer brush, we got our watermelon balm for lips and for other places, which is really interesting. We got the Pixie eye pencil, probably one of my more exciting pieces, and the IBY Beauty eyeshadow, and of course the Glam Glow Bright Eyes. So really excited for this, and I don't know, I think this may be a full-size Pixie pencil. If not, it's gotta be close to full size, right? Because it's a pretty decent size. But I'm most excited for my Pixie and my Glam Glow for sure. Not just because I know like the products, but because I really do think highly of the brands. And yeah, just things I'm excited to use. So that's it for my Ipsy Unbagging. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like my unboxings. I'll definitely be continuing them for a long time to come. So be sure to be on the lookout for those videos. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing amazing. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.